I wanna see you work. He like when I ride it back and forth for the nigga. Way too pretty, gotta stop that shit. I'm lit.
Titles, if I do they, it'll be Michael. Keeps you spicy, tipping, trainy. Yellow bone chick look like Hey Donnie. Freaking the sheets, freak on them beats. Niggas been hooked since big old freak. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beats. These niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if it come with the dishes. I don't rock shit if it come in his name. I'm not your better yet, so don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting the freak on them. All of these niggas is begging I'm paying. Cause my bitch a young thug and I'm the rich homie. Boy, I ain't finna.
Wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. Hey y'all, it's me, Trinity Shawnee's, back again with another video. It's been a while since y'all see me with the blonde, but baby, I've been craving the blonde for a long time. Like, I want the blonde braids, I want the blonde curls, but I don't want to dye my hair brown. My hair has already been through so much damage, I can't do it right now. Like, I gotta at least give myself 5 years or something like that, you know, before I do that. But I don't even know if I would even color my hair blonde if I could just add blonde. If I got this wig, baby, as long as I got this wig, I'm good. It don't even matter. But hey y'all, I'm back again. Guess what's going on today, y'all? It's Juneteenth. It's Juneteenth. So we're celebrating. You know, we have pop-up shops. We're celebrating with pop-up shops. Yes. So today is Thursday. I'm off my part-time job today because Juneteenth is a holiday. Gang, gang, gang. That's so lit, right? I know. But yeah, so I'm doing a pop-up shop today. I'm doing a Juneteenth pop-up shop tomorrow. Then I'm doing one on Saturday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Okay. I just hope we sell out of all these products. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah. Okay. But yes, y'all, I'm excited for this weekend, and I'm bringing y'all along with me. Finally charged up the camera, got everything handled or whatever. To go to dance class together yesterday, but got all the way there. Didn't even have my SD card. So, you know, I can't record. But I'm going to record next week because I'm going to bring y'all to dance class with me, and I'm going to bring y'all to the gym with me. We about to pop out, okay? Megan Thee Stallion, the savage in me is back. Aquarius, you know, we got two sides. We got our reason side, you know, do the right thing and all that. And then we got our reckless, impulsive, and turn up and all that. And she's back. She's back, she's back, she's back. Baby, I'm, like, I stand by my sign because, like, I got this book, the Aquarius book or whatever, and it's just so true. It's just so true about me. Like, I don't care. Can't nobody tell me nothing about astrology, and they can't tell me astrology ain't real, because it is. I see it. I experience it. I feel it. And my sign is true to me. So if it makes sense, it makes sense. Okay? It be the main ones who be trying to avoid it. They be like, I don't believe in signs and all that. Yeah, okay. Okay. Anyways, let's focus on the main topic at hand. Today is pop-up shop day. We're about to go pick up the team. And then we're going to set up our first event. After I set up our first event, I'm going to cover it. And then I'm going to go to set up the next event. And then we're going to go back to the other event. It's going to be a weekend, y'all. It's going to be a weekend. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Most people think pop-up shops are just for weekends, but today was Juneteenth and got the day off. I got the day off. That meant I could actually take a weekday to hustle my business full time. Weekday pop-ups hit different because people aren't expecting you to be there. They might not even plan to shop, but if your setup is strong and your energy is right, you could turn a casual conversation into a customer. And let me tell you, that's exactly what happened today. So make sure you stay to the end so you can find out what the final results are. So like I told y'all, it is team day and I have my team helping me today. Y'all, when I tell you, it has been a journey trying to figure out this whole thing with like hiring, firing, having employees, training employees, delegating tasks. Like, this is the uncomfortable part of business for me. But how can I grow if I don't bring on help? I can't do it all anymore. I can't even remember it all. I'm stressed out right now seeing this voice message, and it's supposed to be like my rest day, but I'm just thinking like owning a business, y'all, is so much more than I thought 5 years ago. I still love it, and I still want to continue to do it. But when I start to think about this part of it right here, training employees, dealing with employees, because I'm the type of person, I have a mindset, if you don't want to be here, baby, you don't have to. You can go, you can hit the dough, you feel me? But you can't have that mindset in business, because I need you, but you need me too. You need me to pay you, and I need you to work for me. So we both need to come to an agreement, because the job got to be done regardless. But remember what they said, be slow to hire and fast to fire. And that's on period. Hey y'all, event number 1, we're already set up, so now we're about to set up for event number 2. Got the cookout vibes going on. Supposed to be a DJ out here. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour so far while everybody's still setting up. Every event has a different vibe. Sometimes the traffic is heavy and sometimes it's slow, but either way, how you show up matters. People still feel your energy before they even touch your product. So keep your booth inviting and smile and stay ready, okay? Period. I don't know. I love saying period. Y'all should get that by now. At least by this point in the video. I know I show a lot of setups, but that's really the reality of entrepreneurship, consistency. It's showing up again and again, whether it's glamorous or not. And honestly, the more consistent you are, the more customers learn to look for you. Like, I go places and they look for me. I done missed a couple places that I usually am a regular at, and I know my customers looking for me. But it's okay, because I'm gonna pop up on them. They ain't gonna know what hit them. And always, always, always get the content, no matter if you post it that day or not, because you never know when you're going to need that content again, okay? One thing I've learned is you can't be everywhere at once. That's why teamwork matters. Training your team to represent your brand the way you would means your business can grow even when you're not in the room. Now, I'm still training these young men to be the best young men and salespersons that they can, but they do slack in some areas. As far as dress code, they both have logo shirts, but they decided to wear something otherwise. I mean, my cousin still had on a shirt that was rocking another brand that we support heavily. So, not too much on them, not too much, because it was Juneteenth, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, just little things. You gotta Keep that in mind. Take notes. This second pop-up shop was at one of the vegan restaurants that I like and that I like to support. So we got vegan mac and cheese. I'm scared, not gonna lie. I just wanted to let y'all know that the food was good. It was decent. Probably not how it usually is, but it was pretty good. Now, the strawberry, kiwi, ginger ale, always on point. But yeah, I mean, it was a lot of customers. So you know how sometimes when a restaurant gets busy, the quality sorts of shift. But yeah, still a great restaurant. I love to eat here. I still go here to this day. But you know, everybody had a day. Everybody had a day. Hey y'all, finally back home. It's been a long day. It's 6:53. I'm tired, but we did pretty good today, y'all. We had 11. That's not even right because I'm missing some stuff. So yeah, we did pretty good today, y'all. Hey. Yeah, I got like 2 sales that I need to add in. So far we had a successful Juneteenth or whatever on sales. I would love to like have some fun and turn up and stuff tonight, but really don't want to at the same time. I don't know, like I'm a homebody. Like I'm really like a homebody. I'm one of those people who like I just need like 1 or 2 companions, you know? One companion, like I need me a boo or whatever. Let me not say need, because it ain't always been that way, but I'm just a laid back person. If I'm not traveling, if I'm not working, I may hang out with friends every now and then, but like I don't know, I'm more of a, let me just shut up, because life just be changing, that's all. And I just feel myself being more clingy these days, and I used to like not be this clingy. But it would be nice to be like booed up on the beach or something right now. You know what I'm saying? But when you're an independent woman, girl, it's hard to do that. But that's gonna change real soon. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all see that ringer? Y'all see this finger right here? A ring about to be on it. Best believe that. God already told me. So yep, I'm gonna just be disciplined and I'm gonna stay the course, and I'm gonna wait for this finger right here to get exactly what it needs. Anyways, good night, y'all. Happy Juneteenth. We had a successful business weekend. Shout out to my help. And right now I am burnt out and tired. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna chill out until I'm ready to go. And I'm sweating right now. Like I can't wait to get out these clothes. Do you hear me? Yeah.